Here we have the first official hands-on look of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. It's not an actual device, it's a prototype. The South Korean tech giant company Samsung has recently unveiled the highly anticipated foldable devices, Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 globally, and now the smartphone brand is reported to be working on its next flagship series, Galaxy S24, which is supposed to debut soon. The upcoming series has been creating enough buzz over the internet, while one device about which we are constantly updating you from the series is Galaxy S24 Ultra. Most prolific tipster and leakster ICE universe is continuously giving us updates and insights about Galaxy S24 Ultra, and recently, the tipster has shared a video that shows the prototype design of Fold 6 that also confirms the previous rendering of Galaxy S24 Ultra. As per the tipster, the video has been received by a supply chain. According to the video shared, the middle frame, flat bottom, and radian are exactly the same as the design concept of the S24 Ultra. It can be speculated that the upcoming S24 Ultra and Fold 6 might be similar in terms of design. However, as per the tipster, the screen bezel of Fold 6 could be narrower than shown in the video. The upcoming smartphone is anticipated to feature a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution, a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and a peak brightness of 2500 nits. It will be powered by either the Exynos 2400 chipset or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset based on the region. The device is expected to house a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt wired and 25-watt wireless charging capabilities. Camera-wise, the phone might include a 200-megapixel main camera with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 50-megapixel telephoto, and a 50-megapixel periscope lens on the rear, along with a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. Also, an FCC filing on August 25 revealed the presence of the Galaxy S23 FE model with the identifier SMS711U. This date also corresponds to the approval confirmation. The Galaxy S23 FE underwent several months of testing by the FCC before receiving the green light in the latter part of the previous week. The FCC application for the Galaxy S23 FE SMS711U emerged on August 25, which coincides with its approval date. The FCC conducted extensive testing over a few months before granting approval in the latter part of the previous week. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.